Today we're gonna go over the absolute first thing you do when you pick up a used Mustang. Super simple, replace that cabin air filter. We'll dive into a product review and an installation on how to get it done on your S550 Mustang. So let's dive in. All right, so you're at the dealer picking up your used Mustang, whether it's certified pre-owned or not, it's used. Point is, someone else had that car before you. Honestly, best way to put it is, I'm a little bit of a germaphobe, so the idea that this car was owned by somebody else before me, and I'm gonna be breathing the same air they were breathing. I have seasonal allergies, nobody likes pollen. The point is, regardless of whether you're picking up a used car or you're on that 30,000 mile recommended interval for the cabin air filter, this is a super easy swap and it's a no-brainer. Again, if you're picking up a used car, it's just one of the first things you wanna do. This is a direct replacement Ford Motorcraft filter that will go directly in place of a factory filter in the passenger compartment on your S550 Mustang. It's a super easy installation. You pull the panel off, slide it in. We're gonna dive in and show you right now. All right, so installation's pretty easy. All you need is a T20 Torx bit. You'll slide the old cabin air filter out once you get the panel off, and then the new cabin air filter in. So the next part's a little hard to see. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go under here, and you'll see a cover with a screw, the T20 Torx bit, that you'll be able to pull that cover off, pull the air filter out, and slide the new one in. We have a GoPro down there so you can see a little bit better. So we'll hop to that so you can see what I'm doing. So you slide the old one out, take note of the flap. In this case, the flap is aiming towards this blower motor right here. Oh God, that's gross. Ew. Slide it out. This is why we were replacing it. Talk about gross. This vehicle has 25,000 miles on it. I think you're supposed to do this, actually, yeah, every 30,000 miles is when you're supposed to replace these cabin air filters. I try to do it every time I pick up a used vehicle just because it's something that should be doing for health concerns and stuff like that. Anyways, got this brand spanking new one. Take note of the arrow pointing to airflow on the outside border of each filter. Like I said, the flaps are aiming towards that blower motor on the bottom, so you just kind of slide this new one in, put the cover back on, and you're done. So it's not gonna go in super clean, but you should be able to scrunch it in there. It slides right in. Grab the cover. All right, once you have it, you hold it into place. Grab your screw. Start to thread it in by hand. And after that, you're totally done. All in all, installation isn't too bad. Get rid of that dirty air filter. It's super easy. It's a pretty cheap modification, and frankly, it allows you to breathe some nice, clean, fresh air. You could pick up this S550 cabin air filter along with a bunch of other Mustang and Ford fitments right here at Steeda.com. If you like the content of this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, that notification bell as well. Comment below, let us know how dirty your cabin air filter is. And don't forget the most important thing, speed matters.